Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and safety. First, make sure Windows is 64-bit and that your motherboard supports the DIMM type and capacity you bought. Once you have the right modules, power down, unplug, and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Now open the case and locate the RAM slots. You should see clips and a keyed notch. At this point, remove any existing sticks only if you're replacing them. Otherwise, plan which slots to populate first. You will now install the modules carefully. Align the notch and press each module straight down until both side clips click into place. Do one stick at a time if needed. Once done, populate slots according to the manual to enable dual-channel performance, usually alternating slots for pairs. Close the case, reconnect power, and boot into BIOS. Make sure the motherboard recognizes the full capacity and set XMP only if stable. Save settings, and then boot into Windows to continue verification. You finish by verifying and testing stability. Open Task Manager and confirm Windows shows the new total RAM and expected speed. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic or Memtest for at least one pass to catch errors. If the system fails to boot or shows less memory, power down, reset modules, and test single sticks in the primary slot to isolate bad hardware. Also make sure BIOS is up to date. Once stable, resume normal use and enjoy the improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.